Hey everyone! Ever had that moment where your car looks great but sounds, well, like it's seen better days? That was me with my 2016 Ford Fusion. It was in fantastic shape, a real beauty, but the noise it was making was just awful, like driving a total clunker. Turns out the culprit was a messed up shock mount. After replacing it, the difference was night and day. It's amazing how one part can transform your driving experience. If your car is making strange noises, don't ignore it. Sometimes a simple fix can bring back that smooth, quiet ride you love. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider following for more car tips.